Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Wathoni finally reveals what happened under the duvet with Brighto. Big Brother Naija housemate Wathoni has revealed that she and Brighto kissed under the sheet on Friday night. Wathoni confirmed this during a conversation with Bbnaija. Recall that Wathoni and Brighto were captured under the duvet on Thursday night and Friday night. Also on Wednesday, Brighto professed his feelings for Wathoni. He told Wathoni that he liked her and wants her to remain in the house. The duo were sighted under the sheets on Thursday night with perceived hand movements. Speaking on Sunday morning, Wathoni, who sought advice from Bbnaija and V, said she was confused about the recent development between Brighto and Dorothy. According to her, Brighto is a good kisser and she wouldn't want to be caught up in another love triangle in the house. In Wathoni's words, she said, "Last night was the first night we kissed and he's actually a good kisser. Right now, I don't want to be in any triangle. I have been in a triangle with Prince, Kidwaya and now Dorothy. Wow, I'm tired." The kiss I had with Kidwaya was sincere, but the one I had with Brighto was more sincere. I felt it, I like it. He's a good kisser, she said. So guys, from all indications, Wathoni is in love again with Brighto. I hope she doesn't get dumped this time. Please, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of watching, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.